Water. We are shocked by its beauty. We are in awe of its power. But you'll have some shock and awe if it's in the wrong place. One of the biggest enemies of RV and van travel is condensation. Basically, it's formed where there's a surface with differing temperatures on either side. Hence, condensation forms and then can cause mold. There are various solutions to this problem, different systems that keep an airspace under the mattress to prevent the condensation from forming. This is the solution I've settled on, the Thule Tepui anti-condensation mat. These are made for rooftop tent use for specific models. They come in a few various sizes. This was the closest to my bed platform size, and I'm just going to cut it down to make it fit. It's a thick wire that's coated with some very sharp edges, but this edging keeps those protected. So we're going to take this off, cut this to length, and put it back on. Width-wise, this fit my bed platform almost perfectly. I lined it up with the front of the platform, a little bit inside of that to make room for. I'm going to try some short cutters and some tin snip type cutters. See which ones work better. Definitely the long ones. And quite sharp if you cut. So we're going to take that off to just before my mark. Maybe we could use this for a boot tray or a drying rack of some kind. Just need to replace the mat into this automotive style edging, which will protect our mattress from these jaggedy ends. Once we get this all back on, which was a fairly easy process, just pushing it back in there, we'll need to cut that where the seam is. These have metal inside of them, so you're going to want to cut it where it's in sections. Cut it where there's a section so you don't have that sharp metal edge sticking out. And then just press that down. We got a pretty good seam. We're good to go. Still got a couple of humps to flatten out, but with the mattress and bedding on it, that shouldn't take long. And then that should bend with the mattress and the bedding as we open this up for access. We rarely have both the front and the back of the bed tilted at the same time. The back is either up for lounging or for accessing equipment out of the back, and the front is usually up separate from that to access clothing and food. So there it is, the Thule Tepui rooftop tent anti-condensation mat mounted in the van. We've got holes in these panels which will give us airflow from underneath, and this creates a nice airspace throughout this wire mesh, so we shouldn't have any condensation or mold issues underneath the mattress.